If you want to maintain your privacy while using Google Drive, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Launch Google Drive by visiting Drive Google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access Settings. In the upper right corner of the Google Drive interface, click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. This will allow you to modify various preferences. Step 3. Navigate to General Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the General tab. Click on it to view options related to your account and online presence. Step 4. Adjust Activity Status. Find the option labeled Show My Activity Status. Uncheck this box to prevent others from seeing when you are online or active in Google Drive. Step 5. Save Changes. After unchecking the Activity Status option, make sure to click Done or Save to apply your changes. This will ensure that your online status remains hidden from others. By following these steps, you can enjoy using Google Drive without worrying about your online visibility.